Students, let us learn example 716. The volume of a cylindrical water tank is 1.078 into 10 to the power 6 liters. If the diameter of the tank is 7 meter, find its height. Okay, the shape of the tank is cylinder. With that, they given the diameter. Volume of the cylinder is given. So, for we should recall the volume formula. What is the volume of the cylinder formula? It is pi r square h. Okay, in the formula, the variables are r and h. So, from this volume or h, okay, volume and diameter is given. So from the diameter you can find the radius, then you can find the height, unknown height. Okay, so you apply this volume value in the volume formula, but the volume given in liters and diameter given in meter. Okay, so you have to we need the height in meter, not in liter. Okay, liter is a unit for the capacity. It is not for the length, distance. Okay, so you have to change the volume in meter cube. Okay, given the diameter in meter, so we will get the radius in meter, and we have to find the height also in meter. So you should change the liter in meter cube. Okay, meter cube only the unit for the volume. So change the liter in meter cube and do the calculation and get the height in meter. Okay, so okay, first let R and H be the radius and height of the cylinder. Okay, given cylinder, here you have to write respectively. 2 units we written, no? Respectively. Given diameter is equal to 7 meter, which implies radius is equal to 7 by 2 meter. That we know, it is a half value. Okay, then we can write the formula. We have volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. Okay, also given volume of the cylindrical tank is equal to 1.078 into 10 to the power 6 liter. Okay, we have to change this value. This now given in the exponential form, scientific notation form. So you multiply this 10 power 6 with this value. Okay, 10 power 6 means 1 with that 6 zeros. Okay, but whenever you multiply a decimal number with 10 or powers of 10, you know you have to move the decimal point to the right. Am I correct? You have to move to the right. But here we have 6 digits. This value in the decimal part you have only 3 digits. So you put 3 more zeros to the number. Okay, multiplication means the value will increase. So when we move the decimal point to the right side, the value will increase and we will get more than this value. Okay, that condition you keep in the mind. So don't change. Multiplication means you move the decimal point to the right, and division means you move the decimal point to the left. Okay, so we can move the decimal point to 6 digits. So we will get 1078, then 3 more zeros. So 10,78,000 liters. Okay, this is the value for 10 power 6. But here they given the value, we got the value in liter. So we have to change in meter cube. Okay, actually 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. This relation also keep in the mind. 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. So this much 10,78,000 liter is equal to 10,78 meter cube. That means you have to divide using 1000. Okay. So which is equal to 10,78,000 divided by 1000 meter cube. Okay. So we can cancel the zeros. So you will get 1078 meter cube. Okay. Now we get the volume in meter cube. Here this formula you consider as equation 1 and this value you consider as equation number 2. This is volume of cylinder and this is volume of cylindrical tank. So we can compare these two with the, we can relate that to 2 since both have the same shape. Okay, which implies pi r square h is equal to 10,078. It is using 1 and 2. Okay, now we can find out the we can apply the value. Pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 7 by 2, so r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h is equal to 10,078. Okay, now first you try to simplify. First you see the left side we have some numbers. If you can cancel, you cancel that numbers first. So 7 7 you can cancel, 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22. Okay, then this number using 11 you can cancel. Okay, 1 11 is 11, 9 11s are 99, remainder 8, so 8 11s are 88. Okay, then this 98 you can cancel using 7 table. 1 7 is 7, here 1 7 is 7, remainder 2, 28, 4 7s are 28. Okay, so you will get, here you have the denominator, don't cancel this 2 and 14, it is wrong. This 1078, it is in the numerator. Okay, we are comparing both the side of the equal to, so only cancel the numerator and numerator. If you have any denominator in the right, you can cancel with the side of the equal to, don't multiply with the right, or don't cancel with the right. Okay, so totally in the left side we have only h in the numerator and denominator 2. So h by 2 equal to right side 14. You can cross multiply. So you will get h is equal to 28 meter. Are you all clear? So we can write the final answer. Height of the tank is 28 meter. Okay.